Hello and welcome to HotelFriend, a revolution in the hospitality industry. My name is Christian, and I am your AI assistant. Today, we're thrilled to take you on a journey through the cutting-edge features and unparalleled convenience that define our platform. From seamless bookings to personalized experiences, HotelFriend is here to redefine your travel experience. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, let's look at the front desk. This is the screen on which your staff will start their day. Look at these colors, pleasing to the eye, clear, and without aggression. It is pretty simple to understand, so you won't need to explain it to your staff again and again. All the reservations are plotted against dates and rooms. Different colors represent different reservation statuses, blue for confirmed or green for checked in, while bar length allows you to quickly estimate the duration of your guest stay. Numbers and boxes at the top of your room types indicate current available quotas and are automatically updated as new reservations arrive or as guests finish their stay. You can adjust the scale to your liking by using these two buttons on the top right. You can also use years and months at the top to quickly navigate around the timeline, while clicking on Today will return you to the current period. Now, time to look at the rooms. They are grouped by room type, and each can be named to your liking. Hovering over a given room will result in a pop-up with all room-specific info, pictures, capacities, housekeeping status, and room facilities. Another amazing feature we have here is the filters. As a true hotelier, surely, you want to see all of the available options on a particular floor and check the reservation from a particular channel or reservation type. You can check it by simply clicking on the required filter and select appropriately. You will only see reservations and rooms that correspond to your inquiry. But that's not all. Are your guests asking for a room with a fireplace? Let's click Filters, Find Facilities, and start typing fireplace. Here we go, we have available rooms to offer. These and many more filters, for example, filter by room type and booking options. And you most certainly can combine several filters at once. Multi-front desk. Now, let's check how the same front desk will look for multi-property management, to understand the occupancy of your properties in one place. Hovering over a specific hotel will result in a pop-up with the name, photos, and address of the hotel. Numbers and boxes indicate the currently available quotas and are automatically updated as new reservations arrive or as guests finish their stay. You can adjust the scale to your liking by using the buttons on the top right. You can also use the years and months at the top to quickly navigate around the timeline, while clicking on Today will return you to the current period. By clicking on the Go to Hotel button, you can quickly get to the dashboard of the chosen hotel to find various interactive widgets we find to be helpful for our clients. Reservations can be created in the front desk or reservations modules. Let's look at both, starting with front desk. Just click and drag the appropriate dates to trigger a quick booking menu. In the new window, fill in the guest's information. You can find the guest using the search filter or create a new one. Then select the booking period, indicate the number of adults and children, choose the room type, room number, and the rate from the drop-down menu. Next, select check-in and check-out times, and early check-in and late check-out if needed. Once all of the information is filled in, click on Save to create a new quick reservation. Now let's see how advanced parameters booking works. To create a new booking, click on Add Booking at the top right of the front desk or reservations module. Select the search and booking type. Choose the guest type from the drop-down list, individual guest or company guest. Select the booking period in the calendar. Indicate the number of adults and children, and choose the age of children from the drop-down list. Click on the Search button. Choose the room type, room rate, meal conditions, and the number of rooms. Click on the Add button. Click on the Next button. On the next page, fill in the guest's information. You can find the guest using the search filter or create a new one. If necessary, write a comment. Select check-in and check-out times, and early check-in and late check-out if needed. Select the source, reception, OTA, call, email. You can also select the purpose of the visit for local authorities reports or how did you find out for advertising improvement. Click on the Next button. If needed, add additional guests to this room. Click on the Confirm and Book button to check the information. Group booking. But what to do when you have a group of people who want to make a reservation? Group booking is not too different from a single reservation process. Let's see how it is done in detail. Go to the Front Desk or Reservations module and click the Add Booking button in the upper right corner. Select Group in the Booking Type drop-down. Please note that if you are making a group booking for a company, you must select Company in the Guest Type drop-down. Choose the dates of stay in the calendar, add the number of adults and children, specify their ages, and click on the Search Room button. You can use various filters for your convenience. Next to each type of room, select the required number of rooms and click the Add button. Go to the next step. Enter the group name in the Booking Group Name field. Add the primary guest's data or use the search if the guest data has already been entered into the database. Specify booking options and add a comment if necessary. Go to the next step by clicking the Next button. Add the room numbers if needed, and click the Confirm and Book button. Let's have a look at the Reservations module. Here, we have collected all the information regarding your guests' reservations. This module is divided into single and group reservations for your convenience. Please use the buttons in the top right corner to create a new single or group reservation, create a new deal reservation, or import and export data. You can apply filters by check-in and check-out dates, guest names, reservation status, and more. By clicking on a chosen reservation, you can find general information, orders, payments, communication history, tasks, and charges made. By clicking on the Actions button, you can edit this reservation, move the booking, add a payment or order, and more. Change reservation. Each reservation can be changed or adjusted after creation with ease. Let's look at how we can do it. If you need to make a small adjustment, like switching the room or moving the reservation for a few days, simply visit the Front Desk module, click on the chosen reservation, and drag it to the required room or date. However, if you need to make more changes, please visit the Reservations module. By clicking on the three dots to the right of the chosen reservation, you can set all the changes. By choosing Edit, you will be able to change the number of guests, room type and rate, duration of the stay, and more. Clicking on Add Order will allow you to add any service to this booking, set a discount, and create an invoice. Add a payment or invoice by choosing the respective options. Now let's have a look at the Guests module. All of the information about your guests can be found here. You can filter the list using various parameters like creation date, nationality, app users, and more. There is also an option for bulk guest adding or exporting data. To add a new guest, please click on the Add Guest button and fill in the contact information, personal data, guest status, and add a comment if needed. When all information is filled in, click on Save. Once the guest is added, you can click on the Actions button to create a new booking, order, invoice, and more. You can track the guest's order history in their profile or contact them via the Concierge app. The next tab in the Guests module is Companies. Here, you can manage corporate reservations, set discounts, and more. Let's have a closer look at the company profile. It contains all the important information about the respective company, legal data, contacts, amount of bookings, and payment info. In the top right corner, you can set a company status and create a payment or invoice. Below the general info, you can select the type of discount, percentage, fixed discount, or set a special rate for this company. The last section of this module contains detailed information about bookings, guests, invoices, charges, payments, and contact persons. All sections are interactive, allowing you to manage bookings, add new corporate guests, or add a contact person. Moving forward to the last section of the Guests module, Paymasters. Paymaster accounts are used to manage and record charges that are not directly linked to a single guest or room and are set up for various purposes such as group bookings, conferences, or corporate accounts. Let's take a closer look at the guest profile, which provides comprehensive information about each guest. The Guest Info tab is the default view when accessing a guest's profile. It contains essential details about the guest, including personal information, passport details, and additional comments. On the right, we can find a financial summary that displays the current balance, paid amount, and total charges. Below the financial summary, you can manage the guest status. There are several predefined statuses you can assign, with an option to create custom statuses to suit your specific needs. By clicking on the Actions button, you can manage reservations, payments, and communications. The following tabs allow you to closely inspect previous orders, bookings, payments, and also chats in the Concierge app along with email history. After the order is taken, it is yet to be executed, and for that we need tasks distributed to responsible staff. For this to happen, you would need to set up your departments, create and link employees, and add automated tasks to respective services. Not all tasks need to be automated, however. You will always be able to create one manually or by using templates. But first, let's see how easy it is to complete a required pre-setup. Both departments and employees are hidden in a settings menu. Create departments to link related services to them. Say, bar is responsible for drinks and wellness for spa procedures. You can also define availability and delivery zones there. For example, your restaurant may start taking orders only after 2 p.m. That way, your guest will only be able to book a service in a particular time frame. After departments are set up, we need to link related employees. To do that, we go to Settings and click Employees. Here we can see all existing staff or add another team member. User permission is a setting controlling your employees' level of access. Assign your employees' department permission level and define associated departments. That way they will get their notifications when tasks are assigned to them and report back when tasks have been completed. Another useful permission level is Housekeeper. This will allow your housekeeping staff to mark online housekeeping status and thus inform you in real time of whichever rooms are clean, already, queued or in progress. The HotelFriend Cashbooks is a module for cash accounting. With it you can easily track all cash transactions, monitor expenditures, and maintain accurate financial records in real time. Access the Cashbook tab, click Create Cashbook. Fill the Cashbook name, its ID, and initial balance, then choose which extensions will be enabled. You can easily customize and edit any Cashbook entry at any time. Click on the Cashbook, then select the settings, add accounts and cost points. Edit Cashbook name and ID. Also, you can add a new revenue, where you can fill all the info, and in the same way it's possible to add a new expense. The HotelFriend Cashbooks module makes managing your cash flow effortless and straightforward. Easily track and record all cash transactions, ensuring your financial records are always accurate and up to date. Our PMS ensures you have all necessary documents at your fingertips. In the Documents module, you can store registration forms, welcome PDFs, and any other files you need. Registration forms. Create registration forms in seconds. Simply click the designated button, select the guest's name and booking number, and generate a printable form with just 2 clicks. Welcome PDFs. Craft personalized welcome PDFs by choosing your desired language, theme, and paper size. Click Create to receive a perfectly tailored document instantly. Services PDFs. Add a professional touch with customized services PDFs. Input the name, language, display preferences, theme, paper size, and type. Add services, set prices, categorize them, and click Create to generate a polished PDF ready to impress. Files. Upload any file you need for seamless operations. Click Upload File, add your file, leave comments if necessary, and press Upload. Access all your vital documents effortlessly whenever you need them. With so many processes and interfaces within one system, you would need tools to summarize it all and keep you and your colleagues on top of things. For these purposes, HotelFriend developed a real-time dashboard and various auto-generated reports. Let's have a look into the dashboard first. HotelFriend dashboard consists of various widgets we find to be helpful for our clients. Majority of these are interactive. For example, Reservations widget groups all current reservations by statuses. Clicking on particular status opens a tab with the HotelFriend Reservations module with all the filters adjusted accordingly. Same goes for Guest Management widget. Every guest type is scrollable and clicking particular name takes you to a relevant booking. All widgets are designed to be self-explanatory and provide an overall insight into what is happening with your property and how your business is doing. Another good example of this is Occupancy Chart, where you can see a projected occupancy of your property for the next 7 days. But what if you need a deeper, perhaps more formalized insight into your business processes and performance? For that, you will have to visit the Documents section in your main menu. The majority of report templates are located in Reports module of HotelFriend. Online Reports tab allows to generate report of your choosing on the fly. They are grouped by purpose for your convenience. Simply choose an appropriate category, select a report type from the drop-down list and define the time period. Let's say you want to compare current performance to the same period last year. You can use a development report from the Manager Analytics. Select today's date and click Generate. You can now see 3 key metrics of booked nights, booked and invoice revenue by most current period and month over month compared to last year. If you want to download this as a PDF, scroll down and click a Download button. As soon as you downloaded a report, it will appear in the Reports tab, which stores all downloaded reports showing you creation dates, creators, and report type, as well as a URL link to download it again. Just to show you the spread of possibilities with reports, let's look into several other examples. Tourism Statistics Report from Statistics Group is useful to many of our clients to report to their local authorities the number of guests, nights, and guests' country of origin by time period. Meanwhile, in Financial, you can see end-of-the-day reports for summarized statistics of today's revenue, payment method breakdown, and occupancy. We strongly recommend you to play around with different reports to familiarize yourself with groupings and capabilities of this tool. As mentioned before, it is indeed a tool we developed to tie all your business info together and showcase the benefits of the HotelFriend ecosystem. The Daily Lists section in the Reports module of HotelFriend PMS is designed to enhance your daily management tasks by providing quick access to essential reports. Let's see how it can help your operations on a daily basis. The intuitive interface allows you to quickly generate daily reports with just a few clicks. Easily navigate between different types of reports such as check-in and check-out, guests report, housekeeping list, and meals list. Select the specific date and criteria, guests, accommodation, company, room, floor, to tailor the reports to your needs. Keep track of all arrivals and departures for the day to ensure smooth front desk operations with check-in and check-out report. View detailed information about your guests, helping you personalize services and improve guest satisfaction with guests report. Housekeeping list allows you to organize housekeeping tasks by floor, ensuring efficient room turnover and cleanliness. Managing meal planning and service based on guest preferences and requirements with meals list never been easier. By using the daily list section, you can efficiently manage your day-to-day tasks, improve operational efficiency, and enhance guest satisfaction through well-organized and easily accessible reports. Great news! You can boost your hotel's revenue with a channel manager integrated into our PMS. HotelFriend has more than 120 channels that you can use to maximize occupancy of your hotel. Easily manage all your OTAs in the Channels tab located on the left side menu. Activate or deactivate specific channels as needed. Among the most popular ones are Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia. You can connect these ones and even more. We set up room types, room rates, and restrictions. Just choose channels that you would like to connect and let our team handle the rest for you. With HotelFriend, integrating the booking engine into your website is a breeze. First, customize your booking engine to perfectly match your preferences, harmonizing its color scheme, buttons, and links with the overall style of your accommodation's website. Let's go to the booking engine menu first. Then choose a base template from the drop-down list to kickstart your customization journey. Pick from 3 room style options. Easily customize the color scheme by entering a specific color code or selecting from the color grid provided. Let's take a look at how your guests will experience it. Guests click the Book button to access a calendar where they can select their travel dates. By clicking To Rooms, they can specify the number of guests, filter rooms by facilities, by area, beds, and room type, choose their preferred room, add deals to the order, and proceed to the next step. Through the booking engine, you can offer additional services like food and room service, activities, and events. For example, your guests can add a chia burger to their order and proceed to checkout. Guests finalize their booking by registering on the platform and making their payment. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the potential of your booking engine on HotelFriend. You are managing a hotel chain with multiple properties? We have the ultimate solution to streamline your operations and elevate guest experiences, HotelFriend's multi-booking engine. Effortlessly manage all your properties from a single, user-friendly platform. You can always switch between all of your hotels by clicking the Home button on the top of the left side menu. Also, our engine features enhanced search capabilities, allowing guests to search by location or the specific name of your hotels. This dual search functionality ensures guests find exactly what they're looking for, whether they know your hotel's name or are exploring options in their desired location. Welcome to the Room Rates module of our PMS system, a powerful tool designed to provide you with complete control over your pricing strategies, helping you to optimize occupancy and revenue. Whether you're managing rates for a single property or multiple locations, this module offers the tools and flexibility you need to stay competitive in the hospitality market. Let's start with seasonal pricing block. Seasonal pricing is crucial for hotels to maximize revenue and occupancy rates throughout the year. By adjusting room rates based on demand during different seasons, hotels can ensure they are competitively priced during peak times and attract guests during off-peak periods. The HotelFriend PMS offers a robust seasonal pricing module designed to streamline this process. The setup is easy and intuitive. You can navigate through the Seasonal Pricing tab to find the best fit or click Add Season to create new seasonal rate plans. Select the room rate plan from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for the season. Choose the appropriate cancellation policy. Use the calendar to set the start and end dates for the season. For each room type, enter the default price for all days. Adjust prices for specific days of the week if needed. Once all details are filled in, click the Save button at the bottom. Your new seasonal pricing will now be active, helping to optimize your hotel's revenue and occupancy based on demand variations. Let's have a closer look at Virtual Rates tab. Virtual rates allows you to adjust rates dynamically to match demand and maximize revenue. Offer different rates for different booking channels to attract a wide range of guests. Tune your pricing strategy with detailed conditions to manage occupancy effectively. By using the virtual rates, you can optimize your pricing strategy across various booking channels, ensuring you make the most of your available quotas and market conditions. In the main virtual rates overview, you can see all your created rates along with their status. Toggle the switch to activate or deactivate a rate as needed. Use the Edit option to make changes to any existing rate, or Delete to remove it. To add a new virtual rate, click on the Add Virtual Rate button. This will open a form where you can enter the details of your new rate. Enter a name for your virtual rate. Select the base rate from which this virtual rate will derive. Choose the applicable cancellation policy and specify the appropriate booking channel. You can set specific conditions that will trigger this virtual rate. Click on Add Condition to see the available options. For example, you can set a condition where if the occupancy is more than 80%, the rate increases by 20%. By using the Virtual Rates module, you can optimize your pricing strategy across various booking channels, ensuring you make the most of your available inventory and market conditions. Welcome to the Booking Restrictions tab. This feature of our PMS system allows you to manage various booking restrictions to optimize your occupancy and pricing strategies. Let's take a look at its capabilities. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing restrictions, along with details such as the restriction name, creation date, period, room rate, room types, applicable days, and source. Booking restrictions are an essential tool for hoteliers to manage their inventory and pricing strategy effectively. It allows to maximize revenue, optimize occupancy, enhance guest experience and operational efficiency. In the main booking restrictions overview, you can see all your created restrictions. Each restriction entry provides quick access to edit, copy, or delete options through the menu on the right. To add a new restriction, click on the Add Restriction button. This will open a form where you can define the details of your new restriction. Enter a name for your restriction. Select the date range during which the restriction will be active. Choose the applicable room rate. Fill up the other parameters and conditions and click on Save. In this segment, we'll explore the Virtual Rooms feature. The Virtual Rooms feature allows hoteliers to combine different rooms into one virtual unit. This enables you to sell multiple rooms, an entire floor, or even a whole building as a single booking. When a virtual room is booked, the system automatically marks the individual rooms as booked to prevent overbooking. This feature provides flexibility and maximizes your booking potential. To create a virtual room, please visit the Room Types and Rooms module. Create a new room type for virtual rooms, set the name, occupancy, type, add room information and description, and select the beds and facilities accordingly. Once everything is filled in, click on Save and move to the Rooms tab. In Rooms, you can filter by physical or virtual to review existing virtual rooms. Click on Add Room at the top right corner, set the room's name, area, room type, and additional information, and switch the virtual toggle to make this room virtual. Once done, you will be able to add the rooms you want to combine into one. The next step is setting up the description, facilities, and other details. And there you go, your virtual room is ready. In the room list, you can set the status and edit it if needed. Let's look into how HotelFriend Concierge app benefits guest experience. We all know how stressful and annoying are long check-ins. With a mobile app, your guests can self-check-in in minutes. To do so, guests need to select appropriate reservation in the app and click Self-Check-In. They are then taken to a self-check-in page to provide personal info. They then confirm this info with a digital signature. As soon as data is submitted, you will see a lightning symbol added to the respective reservation record on your front desk. Also, all submitted data will appear in a guest profile. From here, you can create and print a registration form for a final checkup. On the Services tab in the app, your guests will find a categorized list of all additional services your hotel provides. Be it food and refreshments, events, specialized activities, you name it. Let's say your guest will be arriving in the evening and would like a dinner delivered to their hotel room. They would click Services, then select Food category, and pick a dinner 3-course meal. They can choose time, pickup point, and add a comment. From here, they can add order and go to the cart and checkout, or continue their shopping. Another way your guests can order via an app is to scan a QR code from your Services printout. You can generate these printed materials in Services PDF tab in Documents menu we mentioned before. Place these printouts strategically across your hotel and be ready to take some orders. As soon as services are booked, you will receive a notification. Click it and you will see all the information associated, including your guest's note. From here, you can confirm the service and thus an automated task will be generated. Enhance your guest experience with Concierge Remote Reception, the ultimate self-check-in solution. Our innovative system allows guests to effortlessly check in using a tablet conveniently installed in the public area of your accommodation. It's incredibly easy. Guests simply access the device, navigate to the self-check-in page, and enter their reservation code received in the booking confirmation email. Next, they fill in their personal information and have the option to add any necessary comments. The system will then prompt them to scan the relevant pages of their identification documents. Once they click the Confirm button, their self-check-in request is sent. A confirmation notification will be displayed on the device screen, ensuring a seamless and efficient check-in process for your guests. Introducing our revolutionary guest-facing module, the ultimate solution for seamless self-check-in experiences at your hotel. With our cutting-edge technology, guests can now check themselves in by interacting with a sleek tablet conveniently stationed at your reception area. Guest-facing module allows your guests to make self-check-in, check-out, and you also can sell your services or add info about your hotel. All you need to do is just to go to the guest-facing module, to the main tab, choose the features that you would like to be shown to your guests and choose the payment method. In the tab Service Ordering you can manage the settings, allow order without payment or unable to print recipes. Plus, our intuitive interface allows you to change the colors of your page, product cards, and text, ensuring a cohesive and visually stunning presentation that perfectly aligns with your brand identity. Language barriers? Not a problem. Our Labels tab allows you to switch between languages, ensuring that every guest feels welcomed. With the HotelFriend inventory feature you can unlock the potential of your hotel's resources and amenities. This feature provides a way to manage and schedule a variety of assets, from massage tables and bikes to conference rooms. Let's dive into the process of setting up inventory types. Navigate to the Inventory module. Go to the Inventory Type tab. Click on the Add Inventory Type button. Fill in the details. Enter all required information, including name, description, image. Then click Save. Once your inventory type is set up, you'll be redirected to the multi-inventory creation page. Alternatively, you can create multi-inventory manually. Click the Add Multi-Inventory button to access the same creation menu. To see when each inventory item is booked, just click the Scheduler button. This feature allows you to see all your inventory bookings in one place. Transform your hotel services with HotelFriend PMS. From basic necessities like food and laundry to conference facilities, we've got everything covered. Unlock the gateway to seamless service management with these simple steps. Head to Services and click Create Service. Fill in the required fields. Name your service, upload images, add an article number, and choose the service category. There is also an option to choose the type and department, specify wait minutes and duration time, manage stock and availability, add a service description. You can also specify sales restrictions, the sales period of your service and the days when it can be sold, the time of delivery and pricing options. One of the standout features is the ability to set up task templates that you can toggle on and off as needed. Enter all the details like task name, description, and time, then assign the responsible department and employee. For even greater efficiency, enable automatic tasks with a click on the task templates. Group your services into tab categories. Choose from existing categories or create new ones by clicking the Add Category button. In the Files tab, you can also upload any essential files, ensuring everything you need is in one convenient place. Once your services are set up, it's time to start taking orders. Guests can easily request services using the Concierge app, any device with guest-facing, or simply by contacting the receptionist. When a guest places an order via any device, it will appear in the Orders tab. You can confirm or decline the order, check the detailed info by clicking on it. By scrolling down, you'll see all orders and their statuses, which you can update as needed. For instance, change confirmed orders to completed or cancelled. You can also create orders on behalf of your guests. Click the Add Order button. Search for the guest by name, create a new guest, or create the order without a guest. Select the items the guest wants to order. Choose the order frequency. Offer a discount in euros or percentages, add delivery fees and tips. Select the payment method and add any comments. For immediate payment, click the corresponding button. Click Add Items to Order. Your order will appear in the list of orders, ready for processing. With these features, managing guest requests has never been easier. Transform your low season into a high-demand period with expertly crafted deals. Attract more guests, fill empty rooms, and maximize your revenue with this feature in HotelFriend. Access the tab Deals to manage the existing ones. You can change the deal status, edit, copy and delete it. You can filter to see active and not active deals. Ready to create an irresistible new deal? Simply click the Add Deal button and embark on a journey to craft an unforgettable experience for your guests. Choose language preferences, name your deal, and incorporate tags and article numbers for precise categorization. Empower guests with the option to select arrival dates, or you can disable this feature. Craft a captivating description, manage stock and availability. Enable sales restrictions. Select the sales period and days when the deal will be available. Add services that you would like to see in the deal. Once you've perfected every detail, click Next, add a captivating photo, review your masterpiece, and click Save to unveil your irresistible deal to the world. Discover multiple ways to stay connected with your guests: chat, email, and push notifications. Let's dive into the details of each communication method. Let's start from the chat. Navigate to the Guests tab and select your guest's name. Head over to the Chat menu and click Create your first message. Start messaging your guest instantly, and receive their replies in real time. Just ensure your guest has the Concierge app, details of which are covered in another video. Experience effortless, real-time connection with your guests like never before. Effortlessly connect with your guests via email by following these simple steps. Navigate to the Guests tab, find your guest's name. Select the Email tab, view all previously sent emails to this guest. Compose a new email, click Go to Chat, then find the Sent Emails tab and click Send Email. Select your guest, choose a template if you have one, craft your message, set the sending time, and more. Save the message template or send it immediately. For quick access to all communications, use the Communications tab on the left menu. Here, you can find your guest and communicate with him through chat, email, or in-app push notifications without any hassle. Additionally, our system offers a variety of automated messages for booking confirmations, check-ins, checkouts, and more. Customize these messages in the Settings-Communication Settings tab. You can even adjust the color palette and create your own custom email templates. You can send messages to guests using push notifications. This is very convenient if you need to notify them about a service that they previously ordered. Here's how easy it is. Navigate to the Communications tab, click on In-App Push and then Create Push. Find your guest, search by name or email. Customize your notification, select the reservation status and the service they've ordered, then write a captivating title and message. Click Create, and your guest will instantly receive the notification on their phone. Keep your guests informed and engaged with just a few simple steps. Invoice creation on a single reservation. Our accounting module transforms routine accounting tasks, making automation incredibly easy with just a few clicks. Effortlessly create invoices, process payments, and handle all related documentation seamlessly. You just need to follow these simple steps to create an invoice. These are: access the module, then click on the Create Invoice button and simply choose guest name. In the Items section, all the items will be automatically added. If not, items can be added by double-clicking or by using the buttons in the top right corner of the block. The selected items will appear in the Add to Invoice block. You can remove items by double-clicking or by using the corresponding buttons in the top right corner. Then click the Next button. In the second step of invoice creation, you can modify details in the following fields. Firstly, Guest, update guest information. Secondly, Language, choose the preferred language. Third, Currency, select the currency. Fourthly, Invoice number, assign or edit the invoice number. Fifthly, Invoice date, set the invoice date. Now let's take a look at payment method. Select the payment method, which suits your guest the most. Going to the amount adjustment, if you change the amount in the Amount field, a remaining amount field will appear. Additionally, you can personalize the invoice text. How to create an invoice. Click the Create button. Download the invoice just by saving the newly created invoice to your device. Group invoice creation. When it comes to group invoice creation, there is also a feature called Mass Invoice Create that lets you generate separate invoices for each member of a group and send them all at once. Let's use this feature together. Navigate to Reservations. In the left side menu, select Reservations and go to the Groups tab. Find and select the group you want to bill. Mark the checkboxes next to the required booking cards. In the Quick Action menu found in the main checkbox, Mass Create Invoice function. After that, the invoices will be automatically created for each guest and attached to their respective booking cards. You can find them easily. Navigate to Guests tab, find the guest by name, click on it, find Invoices tab and you will see all the invoices created by you a few minutes ago. What can be easier? Split the invoice. And what if your guest asks you to split the invoice? No worries, we have a solution for that case. The process is simple. Firstly, you just need to access the Charges tab. For that, open the guest's booking card and head to the Charges tab. Choose the charges you want to divide. In the Quick Action menu, select Split Charges. In the pop-up window, fill in number of guests sharing the charges, names of the guests, amount or percentage each guest will pay. Check the preview to see the split ratio and click Split. After splitting, easily generate individual invoices for each guest directly from their booking cards. That's it. Edit and customize the invoice. Are you wondering if you can customize your invoices to perfectly match your needs? It's easy. Just go to the General tab on the left side menu, click on it, and then select Invoice at the top of the screen. You'll have the flexibility to choose which details are displayed about the guest, the hotel, and your company. Decide whether you want to include the invoice number, VAT number, guest and client ID, invoice date and time, and cashier details as part of the invoice information. Here's what you can also customize. Invoice template, invoice header, invoice table, VAT table, payments table, amount format. Plus, you can manage payment settings like invoice payment deferment and set a default payment method in the invoice. HotelFriend PMS seamlessly integrates with the most common door lock systems, including Salto, a leader in replacing mechanical keys with smart and digital keys. Our advanced integration allows guests to use our Concierge app for a convenient self-check-in experience, enhancing their comfort and satisfaction. We're continually expanding our capabilities, striving to connect with more interfaces to provide you with the best possible service. Alongside Salto, we also support the list of other door lock systems, and are actively working to include more in the near future. With HotelFriend PMS, you can stay ahead with the latest in smart lock technology and provide your guests with unparalleled convenience. Experience the future of hospitality with HotelFriend AI, which will allow you to answer your guests in seconds, and focus on what matters most, growing your business. Stay on top of your communication game, use personalized responses provided by AI and effortlessly manage correspondence with clients, partners, and suppliers. With HotelFriend AI, every guest feels like a VIP. Language is no longer a barrier. Translate essential content into 50 languages with just a click, ensuring seamless communication with international guests through the HotelFriend PMS interface. With HotelFriend PMS you can provide a wide variety of payment options, from credit cards to online banking and POS payments. We accept all major credit cards, virtual cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. With HotelFriend Payments, you can accept payments from multiple channels, including the booking engine, OTAs, and mobile concierge app. Accept reservations with complete confidence, as you can be sure to have a valid credit card for every booking. Build a customer-friendly online guest journey and let guests book and pay right away at checkout. Also, if you don't have terminals or you would like to renew the old ones, HotelFriend can help you with it. We can order Adyen Castles or Adyen Verifone terminals. Also, there is the ability to order mobile in-person payment models. You can install these terminals in check-in kiosks if you have one. If not, it's not a problem, as we have HotelFriend kiosks that are able to change the reception schedule and work at night instead of one of your employees, which will save your expenses. Sounds great, doesn't it? You can no longer overpay with our own payment system called HotelFriend Payment System. Pay a minimal amount of interest on the transfer compared to other payment systems. Our system also works with Stripe and PayPal. Take control of your finances with a unified platform and issue refunds in one click. Gain real-time insights into your financial data, track transactions, generate reports, and reconcile payments. Make informed decisions and optimize your revenue streams. As a part of guest-facing services, we'll explore the kiosk for self-check-ins and keys management. Our self-check-in kiosks streamline the check-in process, providing guests with a seamless and efficient experience. They allow guests to check in on their own, reducing wait times and easing the workload on your front desk staff. The kiosks support digital or physical room keys, ensuring a smooth and secure transition from check-in to room access. We provide various models to meet different requirements. Some are perfect for indoor use, while others are designed for semi-outdoor environments. All kiosks can be customized with additional components like payment terminals and card encoders. The benefits of using our kiosks include speeding up the check-in process, maximizing health protection by reducing contact, and offering a convenient option for late-night check-ins. Additionally, The virtual concierge feature minimizes interaction with hotel staff. By incorporating a self-check-in kiosk, you can enhance guest satisfaction, improve operational efficiency, and offer a modern, convenient check-in experience. Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of HotelFriend's innovative software and hardware solutions. We hope you've seen how our tools can streamline your hotel operations, enhance guest experiences, and boost your efficiency. Now, it's time to take the next step. Imagine all the time you'll save and the satisfaction you'll bring to your guests with HotelFriend by your side. Don't wait, bring the future of hospitality to your hotel today. Ready to transform your business? Reach out to us now. Our team is here to assist you every step of the way. Visit our website, contact us directly, or follow us on social media for the latest updates and insights. Let's make hospitality smarter and more efficient together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you on this exciting journey.